Welcome words in Scripture. Loving your neighbor verses in the Bible. When we think of peace, we're often thinking about an absence of conflict or feelings of serenity. The biblical words for peace, usually shalom in Hebrew and eirene in Greek, cover a number of ideas. They encompass living in harmony with others, the satisfaction of achieving our highest goals, and enjoying wholeness, restfulness, and tranquility. Whether we realize it or not, peace is something that everyone throughout history has longed to experience. God and our ability to truly enter into peacefulness. Let's take a look at what Scripture has to say about experiencing peace for ourselves. 1. Peace in the land, Leviticus 26 verse 6. I will grant peace in the land, and you will lie down, and no one will make you afraid. I will remove wild beasts from the land, and the sword will not pass through your country. God had a very cause-and-effect relationship with Israel in the Old Testament. If they followed God's decrees, things would go well for them. When they were obedient, God would protect them from their neighbors and the dangers of their environment. 2. The Lord give you peace, Numbers 6:24-26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. This passage from Numbers is often used as a benediction. The Bible frequently associates God's posture toward his people with their immediate experience. If his face was toward them, their lives would be marked by success and tranquility. 3. The Lord blesses his people with peace, Psalm 29 verse 11. The Lord gives strength to his people, the Lord blesses his people with peace. Psalm 29 discusses the power and might of Israel's God. His mighty voice breaks cedars, shakes the desert, and strips the forests bare. And it's this mighty God who strengthens his people and blesses them with peace. 4. Peace I leave with you, John 14 verse 27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid. The peace that the world offers is conditional. If everything is going well and you're able to maintain a certain standard of living, you can enjoy a fragile peace. The peace that Jesus offers isn't circumstantial and external. It springs up within those who follow him, and it's accessible no matter what life throws at you.